The Safer Solutions Assessment, or SSA, is a systematic approach to reviewing the cleaning process of an existing or potential customer. Through the SSA process, you will identify opportunities for improving safety, sustainability, and operational efficiency, as well as unveil the customer's true cost of cleaning, which includes some hidden expenses your customer may not have considered. You will also uncover the customer's pain points so you can determine how Simple Green can solve them, and then produce a roadmap to sales based on the customer's specific needs and operational requirements to convert the customer to Simple Green's safer solutions. Solutions that will lower costs, improve safety and worker downtime, meet regulatory requirements, and lower their environmental impact. The SSA consists of 5 steps: identify your customer target, scope the opportunity, complete the SSA, convert the customer, and train and maintain. Let's dive right in and take a closer look at each step of the SSA process.